Hi, Richard Greaves, Remax Alpine Realty, and this is your March 2023 Canmore Real Estate Market Update. March, we had again significant lack of inventory for the month, but we did have at the end of the month 31 sales in March, which is on par with a normalized market when we look back at 2018, 2019, 2020. It was certainly significantly down from last year. Last year we had 72 sales compared to 31 this year. So sales volume was down 57% year over year, but that's to be pretty expected. 2022 was certainly a frenzy and not anywhere close to being what we would think is a normal sales year. How did those 31 sales break down in March? Well, we had 5 single-family homes sell for the month, and the average single-family home price was $1.369 million. That averaged out to about $470 per square foot, and those properties were on the market for just about 43 days. Half duplexes, we only had one sale of a half duplex this month. That sold for $810,000 or $635 per square foot, and it was on the market for 26 days. The townhomes, we had 7 sales. The average sale price for a townhome this month was $1.254 million or $709 per square foot, and they were on the market for a little bit longer, 89 days in total for townhomes this month. Apartments, we had 6 sales at $839,000 or $742 a square foot, and they were on the market for just about 21 days, so they were selling fairly quickly in the month of March. Hotel condos, another 5 sales this month for that category. Average sale price was $375,000, which seems low, but we did have a couple of fractional sales in that price point this month, which brought the average sale price down. They were still selling for about $704 per square foot, and they were only on the market for about 25 days. And then tourist homes, we had 6 tourist homes sell. Average sale price was $767,000. Square foot price was $974 per square foot, and they were on the market for 39 days. So March, we've had a lot of what feels like buyers sitting on the sidelines because of the lack of inventory that we still have in Canmore. As I said, we had 61 active listings at the beginning of the month. Going into April right now, we have 96. So we are starting to see some more inventory creep up, but average inventory for a normalized market in April is anywhere from 140 to 240 listings. So we're still severely lacking in that inventory. And I think we're seeing a lot of buyers still stay on the sidelines waiting for more inventory to come on. End of March means end of the first quarter. So how does the first quarter of 2023 look when we look back comparing it to previous years? Well, we had 87 sales in the first quarter. The average sales price was $974,000 or $721 a square foot, and they were on the market for about 60 days. In 2022, we had 173 sales. The average price point was $900,000 or $717 per square foot, and they were on the market for just 27 days. It was a crazy frenzy market last year. In 2021, we had 270 sales, so 2021 was incredibly busy as well. The average price point though in 2021 was $762,000 for the first quarter or $556 per square foot, and properties were sitting on the market for about 65 days. When we go back pre-pandemic, 2020, we had 92 sales, so on par with 2023. The average sale price in 2020 was $735,000 or $500 a square foot, and they were on the market for about 68 days. 2019, we had 99 sales. $723,000 was the average the average sale price in 2019, and the square foot price was $504 per square foot, and they were on the market for 69 days, so very comparable between 2020 and 2019. 2018, 88 sales, $679,000 sale price average, $455 a square foot. And then in 2017, if we go all the way back to 2017, we had 120 sales. The average sale price was $651,000 or $418 per square foot, and properties were sitting on the market for 58 days in 2017. So we've had some significant price increases over the last few years. Pricing from 2021 or the first quarter of 2021 to the first quarter of 2023, when we compare, is up about 30%. So even those people that have bought properties in 2021 in the first quarter have got some significant equity in their homes moving into 2023. I've been saying for a while that prices have stayed high primarily due to the lack of inventory, and still we have some demand from the buyers. The demand has slowed somewhat from the frenzy of 2022, but it seems to be that the lack of inventory has balanced our market a little bit, but it hasn't really done much to subdue prices in any way. And there was a good report that came out this week from the BMO Capital Market, who warned investors that the lack of new listings actually might be a bigger problem than low sales. And they attribute it to a number of factors. And I'm gonna quote those factors right now, and I'm gonna include this article in my newsletter, and we'll put the link for this article in the YouTube video just below as well. But the insights that the Bank of Montreal economist mentioned were that sellers really don't want to sell in a down market or a perceived down market, and they don't have to at this point. Going back to the figures that I shared earlier, you can see that there's still some significant equity in a lot of the homes, even if people bought them in 2021. The Bank of Montreal economist also said that this is an asset price correction, not a recession that comes with job losses and forced sales. The market, or the mortgage market, has a major buffer, with most owners facing little to no payment stress. The OFSI stress-tested buyers are preventing forced sales, and the cost of moving or trading is excessive, so people are staying put, and investors have a strong rental market to fall back on. And we're kind of seeing all of those factors in Canmore right now. Canmore has always been a town where we've never really seen sellers having to sell or really drop their prices in order to get out of the market, because of most people either have purchased in cash or they've still got significant equity in their home. As always, if you have any questions about the Canmore real estate market, my contact information is just below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as we've got some great videos coming in the next few weeks.